it's Pam with Organizer EZ 911 here with your organizing tip in about a minute. And since this video is being uploaded right after the first of the new year, I thought I would talk about setting unrealistic organizing goals. Here's the thing, clutter often does not build up overnight. It usually takes 6 months, a year, or something of neglect to build up. And it cannot magically be taken care of in maybe 2 to 3 hours. So the thing you want to remember to do is to set a realistic goal on how long it's going to take you to clean up and organize things that have taken a year to build up. What build up to 6 months in a year's time will not be taken care of in 2 to 3 hours. So try to avoid the weekend warrior syndrome, okay? Don't set a goal so high that you feel like you failed if you can't achieve it. Slow and steady wins the race. Little by little, go at it and you will achieve the organization you are seeking. I hope this tip helped. If it did, please give it a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and if you're new to my channel, poke that subscribe button too, and ring that bell so you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. I'm Pam with Organizer EZ 911. I'll catch you next time.